Now, what I'm going to show you is how you can do content reframing. Possibly you like humor or you like stand-up comedians. Stand-up comedians are absolutely fantastic in reframing content. So one of the things that President Reagan was doing in the past, he was using one-liners to change everything. I mean, so for example, he was talking with Gorbachev, and he will use one-liners that will reframe the situation. Or he was attacked in the debates, saying that he was too old, and he reframed that attack in a very intelligent way. And as you can see, he was using it in humor, but you can also use it perfectly well for everyday's life.
I will not make age an issue of this campaign. I am not going to exploit, for political purposes, my opponent's youth and inexperience. Just show you how youthful I am, I intend to campaign in all 13 states.
He was a guy who wasn't afraid to make fun of himself, which was great. You know, like whatever you think the elephant in the room is, that's the thing you should be able to talk about and joke about. When I do the same thing, the first thing I do is I make a joke about the way I look.
And that kind of inoculates yourself.
Totally.
When I go in for a physical now, they no longer ask me how old I am. They just carbon date me.
There you go. And it's also smart thinking. I mean, if you're able to laugh and reframe everything, it puts you in a position to be able to deal with almost any situation by diffusing the pain and the pressure that's there. It's like a pressure cooker. You just take the lid off and suddenly it all goes out and you're left with the facts in front of you, and then you can choose to take it one way or the other. So there we see Reagan is a very smart practitioner of reframing.
That's right. So, for example, I just reframed our studio. We were in the studio, and then suddenly I was supposed to be in Houston, and then I appeared in Dubai. And now I said, well, why don't we appear on the royal suite of the Burj Al Arab? And this is exactly where we are right now. So I also take a little bit of
okay. That's the difference between reframing and being delusional. So, yeah, we are reframing it for the picture of anybody watching, but in the real world, we're still exactly where we are, which is what a reframe is.
Yeah, exactly. So we can see here also a very nice example of a great reframe. Procrastination is totally good thing. You always have something to do tomorrow, plus you have nothing to do today. So as you can see it, that's the beauty about the human mind. I mean, if you know that you have different elements, you can just quickly play and change the way that you see things. This is also a great reframe that I found also there on the internet. It says, if you weigh 200 pounds on Earth, you'll be only 76 pounds in Mars. So we're not overweight, we're just in the wrong planet.
There you go. That
just
works for
an
everybody.
absolutely fantastic reframe.
Yeah, I think that whatever you do with the news from now on and the negativity around us, first of all, limit the amount that you let into your head and limit the amount that's on TV. Change your channel, watch something else, do something different, because at the end of the day, we're all going to get through this. We're going to come out the other end and we'll all come out positive and happy to be alive. It's just a dependent thing on how you decide to have that adventure and that journey. So make it as easy as you can for yourself. Every morning you wake up, feel blessed that we've got another morning and the ability to do what we want for the next 24 hours. That will be worth something one day. It's worth something right now. So enjoy it. And we'll be back to share more great reframes, gratitude reasons, and what's going on in the big wide world with you tomorrow. Take care.